Welcome to the Animal Health Division of Ecolab, where we are committed to advancing animal welfare and ensuring the highest standards of hygiene for your farm to thrive. As part of our ongoing efforts, we are excited to announce that our CID Lines brands are now integrated directly into ecolab.com. In Animal Health Division, we always recognized the inextricable links between healthy people and healthy animals. We know that animal hygiene is where health begins. By promoting and implementing clear hygiene practices at the farm, we boost animal health right from the beginning of the food system. Our comprehensive solutions for dairy farms enhance productivity and ensure the highest quality milk production. Our pig farming solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of pig farmers, promoting health and efficiency. With our expertise, you can achieve optimal growth and health for your pigs, ensuring a sustainable and profitable operation. Our poultry farming solutions are designed to support the health and productivity of your flocks. From biosecurity measures to nutritional support, our solutions help you maintain a healthy and thriving poultry farm. By ensuring good quality at the end of the chain, we improve food safety and quality for all. Discover more about our animal health solutions at ecolab.com. Together, we can create a healthier and more sustainable future for animal farming.